Sick and tired of the NVIDIA Tools Extension 64 DLL crash stopping your play? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's repair the link between your engine and hardware right now. Before we begin the walkthrough for NVIDIA Tools Extension 64, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the NVIDIA Tools Extension 64.1. The NVIDIA Tools Extension, NVTX. It provides unmanaged instrumentation for GPU performance profiling. It facilitates the diagnostic data link between localized code and the end-site analysis manifest. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. NVTools Ext64.1 is a critical dependency for games and graphics-heavy apps. I suggest installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore your system's legacy DirectX routines, followed by a GPU driver update to handle any modern compute or OpenGL requirements. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to re-scan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered NVIDIA Tools Extension 64 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If the error persists after a restart, your graphics driver environment is likely corrupted. Use DDU, Display Driver Uninstaller, in safe mode to completely wipe the existing driver metadata. Once the system is clean, install the latest driver suite from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to restore the healthy version of your DLL file. Why are we doing this? Well, overwritten driver files often leave ghost metadata that blocks new installations. A DDU wipe ensures a clean environment where the driver can properly register its DLL components. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing NVIDIA Tools Extension 64 DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If missing library references are recurring, the software linked below provides general information on maintaining an NVIDIA Tools Extension 64. If you've regained access to NVIDIA Tools Extension 64, thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.